Welcome everybody, what's up? You know, it's another week of Pree Dis and your host is back in the building, of course, Kruddy. Now, big up Jeremy, you don't know the whole crew, Pree Dis family. But guess what? For the next half an hour, it's all about entertainment and lifestyle. #1 style. So guess what? Pree Dis start now. So it's that time again. Ms Jamaica World is right around the corner, and trust me, some hot, beautiful young ladies. As a matter of fact, 25 hot, beautiful young ladies in the competition. So let's go wide everyone else and meet some of the finalists, because trust me, some of them banging. It's just up on Twitter at Pree Dis Show. Find out right now.
I decided to enter because it's a wonderful experience to represent my country. Everywhere you go, people see you, they know that you're from Jamaica. Being a Jamaican is a wonderful experience, and so that's definitely why I entered, you know, to make a change, to make a difference.
I decided to enter Ms Jamaica 2013 because it's always been a dream of mine to become an ambassador for my country, and in this way, through entering this, I have the kind of influence that I'd want to have. And if I work hard enough and if I win, then I would be able to change certain things or make an influence on certain people's lives.
I've always been encouraged to enter, so I decided to take the chance. The opportunity was there and I said, you know, time to take the chance and just do it.
It's a wonderful experience for any individual. It will help me become more rounded, and I have a lot to learn, and I believe this pageant can help me learn those things.
How old are you and where did you grow up? Which schools you attended?
I'm 18 years old. I originally grew up in England, but as I moved to Jamaica, I attended Immaculate and Bel Air School in Mandeville.
Why I decided to enter this competition? Because I saw it as a great opportunity, and the branding I will receive from this competition will help me overall.
There's a rapid increase in moral decay in Jamaica, I think, and the younger generation really need a role model. And this competition offers personal development, and I find it very appreciative to be receiving it.
The experience, the exposure is going to be exciting. I get to meet all these people, form a network, which is always good. And if I win, the prizes are tremendous.
I'm looking forward to meeting these beautiful ladies, to experience like a lovely time, you know, going out, experiencing, just having great, like a good fun, just excited and blessed that I'm here.
You know, the Ms Jamaica World platform is something that enables you to go ahead and engage yourself in a lot more activities, and giving back to Jamaica is what we're all about.
You love kids, right?
Absolutely, love kids.
I did my research and character development. This is a program that I will definitely take so much away from, even if I don't take the crown, which hopefully I will. If I don't, it's not a waste of time, it's not a waste of investment. It's something that I will carry on for the rest of my life. It's building my character, which is all I can ask for in the end.
Well, it's always been a dream of my family. You know, they've always seen a greatness in me. They've seen a potential to be a next Miss Jamaica or Miss World, and I've decided to really take the opportunity to see if I really am made of that, you know?
Well, I grew up right here in Kingston, the lovely Kingston, and I actually attended Campion College, and then I went on to do the Caribbean School of Architecture, which I have now graduated from, and I now work at Main Event Entertainment Group.
I'm sure you enjoyed that one a while ago. Beautiful, young, hot ladies. Ms Jamaica World, look out for it. But now, something you definitely need to look out for is the CB Pan Chicken Championship launch. Well, not really the launch you want to see. You want to see the actual competition. But CB, this one is sponsored by Rum Bar. Check it out. CB Championship launch. Whoa.
We started this 8 years ago, and I can't tell you how we knew what we were doing. We threw a bunch of ideas together, sat down in our room. There was one specific gentleman who really pushed on the idea. And we had a small budget, we had a small team, we had small events. If we had 5,000 people at the event, you know, we thought it was the best day of our lives.
Than just cooking pan chicken. It's about providing opportunity further for the pan chicken men and women. Then our second event goes to the Western Regionals, which will be in Dump-Up Beach on Saturday, August 24th. And then we have the Eastern, which will be in Portmore, which is also new for us as well. That's a new venue we're rolling out. That will be Saturday, September 28th. And then we'll culminate with a grand final on the waterfront in November.
Why should we buy CB chicken?
Because it's the healthiest chicken. We're ISO certified, and we're a big owned family company, and we believe in giving back to the community.
All right, so we're going for our first commercial break. Remember, you're watching Pree Dis with your favorite host, Kruddy. Now, first commercial break is brought to you by the baddest Calico Jack Rum Punch. You need to try one. We'll soon come back. We're so forward. Pree Dis.